If you've been thinking about moving to Zephyrhills, Florida, stick around. We got another new builder coming to you from Two Rivers, and we're getting after it
right now.
If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so you can get the market updates, not only on Zephyrhills, but the whole entire Tampa Bay area.
My name is Debbie Diaz, and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group at eXp Realty. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or set up an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Wesley Chapel, Florida. So we are back at it in Two Rivers. Today we are going to focus on one of my favorite builders, which is Homes by WestBay. As you can see, we are on their model row, and they have 4 gorgeous models to walk through, plus a villa, which is not in this section, but today we are going to focus on the Granada 2. So this is one of their largest floor plans, just under 4,900 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and it is stunning. After that, we're going to zip onto a different section here in Two Rivers where the villas are featured, so we can give you an idea of what you're wanting. If you wanted to downsize or no maintenance, the villa could be perfect for you as well. So here in Two Rivers, this WestBay home will be in a gated section. They're going to have about 300 homes in here and about 100 villas. So it's only going to be WestBay homes. They're not shared with other builders in here. So everything is just going to look simply stunning and top notch. Let's go in and check out the Granada. Welcome to the Granada. 4,828 square feet to be exact. And this is a 5-bedroom home full of luxury. Come on in and check it out. Nice and bright. Now, you know this is a model, so it has everything in here. And again, it is just stunning. Right up front, we are going to have a home office. It does have French doors on it, and you can see they've done some beautiful shiplap on the walls and on the tray ceiling above. And again, just stunning. Tray ceilings throughout this entrance. We are going to have the formal dining room right here towards the middle of the home. And as we keep going into the home, you're going to notice the stairs that will lead upstairs where the majority of the bedrooms are. But if you are looking for that home that has 1 bedroom down and it is not the primary, this Granada could work for you. So right now we are in the kitchen, and it is a beauty. Huge center island. They've done a porcelain farmhouse sink. You've got the butler's pantry off to the rear. Again, Two Rivers is a gas community. So for those of you that love to cook with gas, gorgeous 5-top gas burner right there. Butler's pantry. You can stick everything you want to hide over here, or you can simply make it a coffee bar or a liquor bar. But check out the size of this pantry. Talk about storage galore. I don't think we could even fill this up. But 1, 2, 3 walls of nice wooden shelving. As we go into the garage, you are going to have a 3rd bay. So this is a 3-car garage, 2 on one side, 1 on the other. Nice and tall ceiling. So if you needed more storage, you could definitely add some racks for up above. And as we come back through the kitchen, you are going to notice that you do have a breakfast nook. I say breakfast nook because you do have the formal dining room towards the center of the home, but this is an equally as large space. 4 windows, so you get a lot of natural light, and it is all open to your family room. So you're not going to miss a beat. You've got your kitchen, you've got your family room, and your breakfast area there. So perfect home for entertaining. And as we're talking about natural light, 4 sliders across the rear just brings in a lot of natural light. This is stunning. And as you can see, Homes by WestBay is one of the only builders that still does build a pool with their homes. So if you are looking to pick your lot, pick your house and build a pool, you're looking about a 7 to 8 month build time. So back here in the corner of the rear of the home, we are gonna have a bedroom. This is gonna be bedroom number 1. And again, it would be a perfect guest bedroom because it does have a full bathroom just outside the room. Nice 8-foot doors on the closet, wooden racks in there. This is a queen size bed, so you can see that you've got a lot of room. Chair in the corner, a huge dresser right there. So a very nicely sized room. We are gonna have a step-in shower here. Beautiful tile, just decorated all the way to the ceiling. Just makes it look nice and grand. This is going to be a walk-in closet. Super long, again with the wooden shelving, and a nice little sitting area. So again, if you did have that generational style living, you've got a nicely sized bedroom, a step-in shower, a very large, generously sized walk-in closet, and a sitting area. Perfect for watching TV and just being kind of like on one wing of the home. So nice and private. Let's go check out the other rooms upstairs. Now, as you get to the top of the second floor, just prepare to be wowed. Gorgeous staircase. I love it. It's got nice spindles on it and not like a solid piece of drywall, because this is simply stunning. But this is gonna open up to your bonus room. And I really don't wanna say bonus room because it's like one of 2 bonus rooms. They have this section set up as a little TV room where you have another large area that can house gaming tables. Here they've got a pool table, but you really have tons of options as far as how you want to set up your bonus area. So right off the top of the stairs, we are going to have bedroom number 2. Now this is going to be a very nice retreat for a very special child because we have an enormous bathroom that has been tastefully done in some funky tile, hexagon shape up there. This is going to be the bedroom, again set up with a queen size bed, so you can see that it's nicely sized, and with a nice walk-in closet. Located up here is also going to be the laundry room that's going to house your washer and dryer. Gorgeous cabinets, a lot of countertop space, so you can definitely do your folding and some ironing up here as well. So as we come back to the bonus area, we're going to come to bedroom number 3. Nicely sized again. You've got a door overlooking the front balcony. We've got a very deep walk-in closet. And this is going to lead us to a Jack and Jill bathroom, where we're going to have dual vanity sinks, an area with your tub shower combo with a door, so that can be closed off while still utilizing the sinks. And it's going to bring us into bedroom number 4, which again, just like the others, nicely sized walk-in closet. They have this set up as a yoga studio, so nice and zen, actually even a dance bar. So perfect for that little girl that's doing ballet. We're going to come back out through the bonus, and this is going to be the entrance to that primary suite. So as we come in, we are going to go to the left and check out the size of this room. It is enormous. Gorgeous king size bed, sitting area. This is going to be your private ensuite, and it is enormous. Check out the size of this standalone soaking tub. Sinks on both sides, so you don't have to look at his toothpaste on one side. We have the private water closet, and check out this stunning walk-in shower. Got a rain head feature, and we have seating on 2 sides. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous shower. And then this is the closet. I know, this could be the nursery. It is enormous. So you're definitely going to have a lot of room in this primary. So again, this is the Granada. It is a 5-bedroom home. For those of you that are looking for a lot of square footage, 4,800 square feet. It is enormous. If you are looking to build a pool and add a second level cage like this and just having a huge open space, Homes by WestBay can do that for you. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or set up an email or a Zoom so we can help you get into a WestBay home. We are now in Homes by WestBay's Villas section. So if you are looking to downsize, or you're retiring, or you just don't want to take care of a yard or exterior of a home, a villa could definitely be right for you. As you can see, a villa is going to have a shared concrete wall right down the center, so you're not going to hear noise from either side, and they are going to be the garage portions. So again, it's going to look like one huge home, except it is split right down the middle. Side entrances, so we are going to go around and check out the Vinoy, which is 2,160 square feet. Now, if you are building this home, you have the option of building it as a 2-bedroom with a study, or you can have 3 bedrooms. It is a very nicely flowing floor plan. So there's a lot of separation, and they are gorgeous. Look at the stone on this entrance. You've got an 8-foot door. So come on in and let's check out the Vinoy. Welcome home. Nice, bright, and airy. Right up front, we are going to have a den, which they have set up as a study. And again, if you needed this to be a bedroom, you could build one, as it is going to have the closet already in here. I love the flooring that they've done on this villa. We are going to have a half bath powder room right up front, perfect for your guests. This is going to be bedroom number 1. Nice tall ceilings. Again, throughout the home, they are going to have the 8-foot doors. So again, it just gives it a very nice grand feel. You've got a shower tub combo in here, tile all the way up to the ceiling, and just a gorgeous deep aqua color. Quartz on the countertops and shaker cabinets. So this is going to be bedroom number 1. As we come out of bedroom number 1, you are going to be welcomed into a very, very generously sized kitchen. Again, that nice huge center island, and it does have storage all the way around, so you're not going to need for storage in here. Again, the gas cooktop in this community, deep drawers, perfect for your Tupperware, and this home happens to have cabinets all the way up to the ceiling, which is simply stunning. You have your dining room set up right here across from your kitchen, and a very generously sized family room. 3 big sliders in the rear, so again, stunning views of a nice little pond and a lot of natural light. Now to the rear of this villa, we are going to have the primary suite. I love how they've done coppered ceilings up here inside of the tray. 3 gorgeous windows to the rear, and you can see this is a nice chunky king-size bed. You've got a huge wall for all your artwork, enough room for a chair or a chase, and your dresser over on the opposite wall. This is going to be your primary ensuite. Beautifully done, almost a coastal vibe in here. I love the hexagon tile on the floor of the shower, and then it changes from a subway up to a nice blue tile with your rainfall shower head. Gorgeous, gorgeous countertops, white shaker cabinets. You've got a chair there for your vanity, and this is going to bring you right into a very long walk-in closet. And the cool thing I love about this, your closet goes right into your laundry room, so you don't have to walk far. This is going to house your washer and dryer. You can see they've got a utility sink in here and a lot of storage up ahead. This is going to be the opening to your 2-car garage. They've got a little drop zone right there perfect to put your backpacks and purses and things like that. And then that nice, huge walk-in pantry, and check out all the shelving. So this is the Vinoy. If you have any interest in this model or want interest on the Bel Air, which is this 2-story villa, just reach out to us. You can simply drop a comment below or pick up the phone and give us a call. So that's gonna wrap it up for Homes by WestBay. You've got the Artisan series that we started with up front, and price points on those are gonna start in the 850,000s. If you wanna get into the Villa series back here to the rear, those are gonna be anywhere from the 500,000 to 600,000. Most homes are a 7 to 8 month build time. Again, if you're doing a pool, it might take just a little bit longer, but not very long compared to a lot of the other builders.
So that's Two Rivers. If you look on our channel, we probably have
At least 10
videos on Two Rivers. There's 12 builders out here. It's the very beginning of this community. It's a master plan community that's going to be enormous. It's going to have a grand national, I don't know what, golf course.
Championship golf course. It's split between 2 counties, Hillsborough County and Pasco. So that just shows you the enormity of it.
They're building Publix right at the beginning. They're going to have an aqua park. We are in Zephyrhills, but we're stone throw away from Hillsborough County. So stone throw to Wesley Chapel.
You're only 15 minutes to the Wiregrass Outdoor Mall, which is on the corner of Brewski Downs and 56. So again, not a bad location.
It has everything in here. So if you're looking for a new home, they're going to have different price points from starting, let's just say starting at about 400,000 in Two Rivers on up to over $1 million. If you're interested, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love to represent you in your purchase of a new home, and we would
like to see you around town. Bye now.